Hey everybody, it's Katherine. Welcome to my channel where I'd like to talk all things beauty and fragrance. This is going to be another mascara challenge. Two of my absolute favorites are going to have a showdown. Tonight we have Contenders, Armani Black Ecstasy versus DiorShow BlackOut. Let's get started. So first off, we're going to look at the wands. You can see it's fat wand. Dior Ecstasy is known for that added black tint to it. Armani Blackout, it's a Total Effect black mascara. It's a thickening mascara which features 4 patented multi-effect waxes for quick application, volume, length, and curl, and an exclusive color boosting polymer for the most intense black. A lot of times what I'll do with Armani Black Ecstasy is to use the typical Eyes to Kill Classico and then put the intense black on top just for added pow. So we're going to apply. And put it at the base, wiggle, 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 do the whole length. DiorShow BlackOut. DiorShow BlackOut is an extra large brush that deposits a cold effect texture on and between your lashes to create intense and mystery smoky eyes. It doesn't say anything about lengthening. To me that sounds like it's supposed to just give you that boost of color, and on and between your lashes makes it sound like that it's also volumizing. See the wand on this one? It's also a thicker wand. To the Armani, so the wand itself is longer and the brush is a bit wider as well. You have more mass to the Armani. The Armani is the red stick. So let's apply. So this was the Armani, this was the DiorShow. Honestly, I can't tell a whole lot between shades of black. This one is a little bit more clumpy, but that also gives me a bit more volume. This one definitely coated every single lash and defined every single lash, but I don't feel looks quite as dense as this eye, and typically this eye actually has better lashes in my opinion. There you have it, Armani Black Ecstasy versus DiorShow BlackOut. I guess make your own decision based on my experiment and display. I'll leave in the comments section what you think. Have you tried either of these mascaras? Which one do you prefer? Again, my name's Katherine. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the notification button. Also make sure to hit the like button because it's kind of my tip. It helps me out in the YouTube algorithm and gives me that pat on the back to keep going. So again, thanks for stopping by and I'll see you soon.